Yep.
You see your turkey, don't be acting all shy. I'm not nasty for real. Fuck. What you do? I ain't did nothing. Y'all out here playing. So y'all sex the balls? Yeah, sex my Okay. Y'all done did some freaky shit. Come on now.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't get down for real.
So you just at the freak league just...
I'm just here for the bag.
I got a baby. Them lollipops say
I ain't gonna say too much.
She cracked that apart.
We at a park right now. I don't really get into all that. I just...
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
What's up? Y'all know who I am. What's your name? Erinay. What's the freakiest thing you ever done?
Wait, that's all.
No, you know, nothing major. I can let somebody spit in my mouth.
Okay, period.
I ain't even been fucking that long.
Freakiest thing I ever done, I think, this boy wanted me to, such a thing. So, I did my one.
Okay, period.
I can say had a grease on my ass.
Okay. And what's the freakiest thing you ever done? Okay, what's the freakiest thing you ever done, Tegan?
Ass to the pussy, shorty.
I would say the freakiest thing I've ever done is like 6'9", you know, like where the dude, you feel me, get in there.
I still don't know what you said. You said what?
What does that mean?
Oh, you got peed on. The freakiest thing you ever done. Since we here at the freak thing, yeah. What's up? Hey, Mac, what's the freakiest thing you ever done, nigga?
Shit, I don't even know. That's how many freaky things I done did.
Oh,
How was the freaky thing I ever done?
I might mind me, bitch. Oh, okay.
Okay.
I sucked some dick. That nigga put it in my pussy and my ass and put it right back in my pussy. That shit was good. Turn me up. I miss that nigga. And that nigga hair, y'all.
Because you gotta teach me.
No freaky shit.
No freaky shit.
I ain't teaching shit. We're done.
Shit.
We at the freak league.
Fuck somebody while my cousin was in the room.
This Cuddy?
Yeah.
This Cuddy?
Cuddy
He
right here.
capping?
No.
He capping? What you ever done?
Come on.
What's the freakiest thing you ever done?
Work this job.
Work this job?
Work this
That's
job.
freaky for you? Oh my God. Yeah, you.
I don't know. That ass, lick that motherfucker. And then like,
Oh God.
oh God.
Okay. What about you?
I ain't do shit freaky.
Thumbs in the ass. You already
Thumb in the
know.
ass?
Yeah.
Freakiest thing you ever done?
Eat some ass.
Y'all stupid. Hey, what's the freakiest shit you ever done, guys? The freakiest shit.
Bang bros. I ate some ass.
Ate your booty. Freakiest shit you ever done?
I only do it.
What's the freakiest shit you ever done?
He freaky
I
though.
fucked a bitch, her friend, and her mama on my dick. Murphy
The friend and the mama?
and the mama.
What's the freakiest shit you ever done?
Only thing I do is freakiest thing I ever done was ate ass. That's it.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna tell you right now, that ain't. I'm CBK for real.
What?
No steak.
Ever done? The freakiest thing I ever done was suck a nigga balls. I'm like, the freakiest shit I ever done was a nigga put their thumb in my butt.
The thumb in the booty, that ain't shit. Come on.
Suck the nigga's balls.
Oh. What did you ever do?
I eat ass.
The freakiest shit you done did? She said, fuck the question. Hey, what's the freakiest shit you done did? Oh, I don't know.